Good morning, students. Welcome back to our lesson of adverbs kinds. Today, let us start with the third type of adverb, that is adverb of time. Adverb of time definition is it shows us the time when action is done. Adverb of time answer the question when. The examples of adverb of time are, first one, we visit the temple daily. The question asked is, when we visit the temple daily. The second example is, we go to school every day. When we go to school every day. Third example is, the mail was delivered today. The question is, when was the mail delivered? The fourth example is, he slept late last night. When did he sleep last night? The fifth example is, you should always speak the truth. When should you speak the truth? Always. Sixth example is, my brother came early. When did your brother come early? The fourth adverb is adverbs of frequency. Adverb of frequency shows how often an action is done. Adverb of frequency answer the question how often. So let's see some of the examples. The first example is, the newspaper is delivered daily. How often the newspaper is delivered? Daily. The second example is, we should never harm animals. The question comes, how often we should harm animals? That is, never. The third example is, I take tea twice a day. The question forms is, how often do you take the tea? The fourth example is, this man is always late. The question comes, how often this man is late? That is, always. The fifth example is, we see them occasionally. How often we see them? Occasionally. The sixth example is, children should always obey their parents. How often children should obey the elders? That is, always. The last type of adverb is adverb of degree. Definition of adverb of degree shows the degree of the action of its verb. Adverb of degree answer the question how much or how far. The first example is, the bag is almost full of books. The question comes, how much is the bag full? That is, almost. The second example is, he is very old now. The question forms is, how old he is. The third example is, the old woman is very sick. The question comes is, how much the old woman is sick? That is, very. The fourth example is, it has rained enough. The question comes is, how much it has rained? That is, enough. The fifth example is, she nearly missed the flight. The question comes is, how far she missed the flight. The last and the final example is, he behaved too rudely. The question comes is, how far did he behave? That is, too rudely. Hope you might have understood. Thank you.